And here we are. As you can see, it's still raining. Yeah, yesterday, well, this night was pretty interesting. Wind was pretty strong. Yeah, yesterday they cleared everything. Grass is cut, but you can see there's now additional branches all over, and of course they also removed all the dirt, trash, all the fallen leaves. Everything was cleaned yesterday, and it's Kisses Day. Kisses Day. Joy. Yeah, the wind was pretty strong yesterday. Well, during the night. Even some, I assume, ambulances or firefighters were going up and down. I haven't read any news, so I don't know if there could be some, but yeah, I really doubt it. Perhaps individual houses that were flooded, but I really doubt it. It wasn't raining as much. It was wind, how strong it was. And yeah, there were very strong gusts of wind. You could basically feel it in the house itself, how strong it was. So I was just hoping that there is not let's say a piece of debris that would hit a window or something. Lisa trying to chase pigeon. Yeah, no coins, no nothing. We will see if today there will be anything going on in Planica. Pretty Lizzie. Pretty. Joj, kebab. Nadeva. Yeah, still raining. It picked up a bit. Oh, yeah. You can see. Oh. Completely sheared off. No. Oh yeah. I assume in Mostet, the forest where we were yesterday, yeah, a lot of these kind of things had been done. Oh yeah. And yesterday at the same time we were outside, it was already quite bright. Now back to the darkness. Today it's not so chilly. I don't know how much it is, but it's not so chilly. Tomorrow it could be below zero or by the zero, somewhere in that range. If last week it was only +2 in the morning, so yeah, hopefully it will be not so cold that there will be some ice on the ground. We have to avoid that. And hopefully today we will meet Nar or perhaps Thor once again. So yeah, okay, let's end on this point.